Hey everyone, Jordan, CEO and co-founder of Starfish here. Today I want to talk a little bit about AI and how to use AI for image generation. When I was first getting started using I really struggled to find good image generation tools. There are a lot of tools out there that say they do these things, and finding good ones is really hard. Today I'm going to focus on three tools: ChatGPT, specifically the Dolly feature within ChatGPT, Canva, and Playground. So the first question is, why should you, as a restaurant owner, small business owner, use AI to generate images? Chances are historically you've either had a graphic designer, someone local, someone on Upwork that used to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars to. Now you can actually do 90+% of this on your own, and it is amazing what you're able to build. And I'm going to take you through all of it now. You can use this for social media, email marketing, loyalty programs, really anything that you need images for, AI can help. So you can see my screen here. I've got ChatGPT up. Again, I'm using ChatGPT 4, the paid version. Do this on free, but look at this. So, hi there. I need help with enhancing the brand of my pizza restaurant. Here are some details. Name Jordan's Pizza, caters to families, especially those with young kids, based in Florida. And then I give exactly what I need. Redo my logo with a little bit of detail, give me a brand guide, and then I'm opening a new location, second location coming soon, which is pretty exciting. Design what the outside of my new location should look like. You can see here, absolutely Jordan. So, logo redesign gives me text, brand guide gives me colors, gives me this. So one of the really interesting things is that the way that this AI usually works is first thing it does is it writes out the text, and then it uses its own text to prompt it to do images. So what we're doing is prompting it with the initial text up here. The more details you give, the better. Then it basically retypes it out in more details and then uses these details for actual images. So you can see here, got a couple logos for Jordan's Pizza. Don't really love these. They're not really speaking to me of what I want. Then it says, next, let's consider the exterior design of your new location. I mean, this is awesome. Like, how good does this look? I love the different colors. I love the pizza. We have to remove this a little bit to NBC, right? Family friendly, family fun, something like that. I love it. Now you'll see it struggles with this, with text. The text isn't always going to be perfect. This is a great start. I love the outside area. Look at all the awesome signs inside. This is great. So what I did then is you're having a conversation, right? Few follow-ups. For brand guide, you give me specific color slash hex codes. Saying things like warm reds and yellows isn't strong enough, right? I need actual colors. I need codes. Number two, for the logo, I like the idea of a character or something, but don't love what you sent. Can you send me a few options with animal characters? The outside, nothing else required, right? This looks great. And what's great about this is I can literally come in here, download, do anything I need. Oh, looks like it didn't load. Come in here, download it, whatever I need. Just simply right click, save image as. All right, so brand guide, look at this. Primary colors, and it gives me the actual colors all from here. So what you used to pay a branding person for, this can get you pretty far away. Logo revision with animal characters. So again, I don't know what this word is. Don't worry about that, right? The small stuff isn't important here. Still didn't love it though, right? Like I want like one animal and Jordan's Pizza. I love that idea. I would not have thought of that myself. Pretty good. How about this? Jordan's Pizza, Jordan's Pizza. Not bad. I chose the top left one. So this is the one that really I like the most out of all the characters. So I said, I like the top left one. Can you make some iteration? Look at this. How exciting and awesome is this? Look at all of these different ones. I mean, this just looks great. So I'm good, right? I just use ChatGPT and Dolly to show me what the outside of a store might look like, help me redesign logos, and give me colors. I can save these images, take any actions I want. Now, again, I don't think that AI image generation is going to get you 100% of the way there. chances are you probably want to download this, cut some out, make some changes, see how the ANN is imperfect. You'll still need something like Canva or Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or something, right? There's still a little bit required there, but this should be able to save you tremendously. And again, all I did, you saw, is I prompted it, the very simple prompt, and then I guided it with follow-up questions and insights as I went. Really simple, but incredibly powerful. So my idea for my pizza place, which doesn't exist, was I could basically make like stickers and badges, and the whole idea would be like collect all the characters. I never would have thought of something like that as a way to increase loyalty without ChatGPT. So this is a really great place to start, ChatGPT and Dolly. The next place I want to go is Canva. So I use Canva for all of my marketing, right? So you can see this is what we do our ads with, our postcards, our video editing. We use Canva for all this. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click create a design, and I want to take a step back. I have a free Canva account. I do not pay for Canva. I've got a free Canva account, okay? So I'm just going to come in here. You can see all the different things we can edit. Let's just go to doc. And then down here, there's an apps section. So in this apps section, you can discover pretty cool apps. So I found a few. Oh, sorry, we don't want to do we don't want to do text this out. We don't want to do a doc. Let's do let's do an Instagram post. We want something that's going to be a picture versus a doc. So there's a bunch of stuff down here under apps, and look under discover. This is how I found them. I literally just went to discover and I looked at all of the different apps that they recommended, and I chose two. So let's try Cartoonify. So what Cartoonify allows you to do is choose an image. So all I did was took pictures of pizza or went to stock image sites. Choose file, come in here. The one caution for AI is not only is it not 100%, but it takes some time. You've got to be patient. Part of the reason I have all of this preloaded is because it takes time to walk through this. The AI is not the fastest thing in the world. So be patient and take your time. So we can see here, look at this. It just gave me a cartoon image of pizza. So what I did was I took a stock photo. Literally, I just went on free stock photos, went to Pexels. Let's do pizza party. I love it. So let's just do this one. Download it free of charge, right? You can see it download. And then we're going to come in here to Canva, do Cartoonify and replace. Oh, let's do add page, choose file. We just did this, and let's see how it works. Sometimes you have to do iterations on them, right? They're not always perfect at first. Sometimes you got to do iterations on them, but let's keep going. Look at this. So a little bit of a cartoon pizza party, right? Impressive. Not perfect, but pretty good. And if I do Cartoonify and replace, I'm able to do it. So what I really like about Canva is a few things. Number one, the ability to turn real pictures into animated pictures, cartoons, things like that. Things that might be a little bit more whimsical. You can also do a tremendous amount here with actually editing it. So you can add things like words. So let's pretend that we want to move forward with this and we actually want to use it in a social media post. I'm going to come in here, zoom in, and I can start adding things, right? So let's say I want to add text. And if we go back here, we can actually use some of the colors that it suggested up here. Let's use the sunny yellow. Boom, just like that. We can add a background, for example, so it sticks out more. Some shading, for example, all from here. So the idea is that right from Canva, you can do postcards, creative, that kind of stuff. I am not a designer. Let me start by saying that I am not a designer. But what this enables us to do is create cool, simple images that can actually have text and things added to them. So what I really like to do with Canva is take images from tools like ChatGPT or Playground, which we're going to do next, make edits to them, and then add text, calls to actions, that kind of stuff. This is what you can use to, for example, send an email out to someone. The final tool, and to me the most fun to play around with, is Playground. So I'm going to come in here to Playground, and you can see I already started playing around, right? So I wanted a pizza party. So when you first come in, you can choose a board, and then you enter a prompt. So a prompt is what you want to see. So what I want to see is a cartoon pizza party with kids and animals having a great time eating pizza. Then if you click this little expand prompt, again, free of charge, you can see you can generate up to 500 images in 24 hours free. Expand the prompt, that means that they'll basically take the prompt and make it better for you. Feels like a no-brainer. You can remove some things. I did not do that. It automatically did that for me. Let's click generate and let's see what happens. Hmm. So that didn't do exactly what we wanted there, huh? Let's try this again. Again, it's not perfect, right? Doesn't always work. So you just got to be patient and keep playing around with it. Yeah, how cool is this? Look at this pizza party. So then what I can do is, let's say I really like this one. I can go to this canvas section. And what the canvas section enables us to do is we can actually do multiple at the same time. So cartoon pizza party of kids and animals eating pizza and having a great time. Then what we can do is if we come over here to this right side, we can change the image dimension. So let's say you know you're specifically doing like a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad or something for TikTok. You can change the width and height from here. And then what I like to do is I like to do like 3 for the seed, because what that will actually do is create 3 different images for me to choose from. So just this one prompt is going to generate 3 separate images. What we're going to go through next is this toolbar. In the toolbar, we can actually start editing images. We can erase things, edit things, add things, all from here. And again, you've got to be patient. These tools are not the fastest, especially when you're on the free versions. Be patient, have a good time with this, right? Like that is half the battle, is just enjoying it. Look at all these. Look how freaking great these are. All right, so I want to dig into this one, okay? And all I'm doing is zooming, right? Oh man. Okay, so up here, we can do things. We can remove the background. So watch. Look how cool and easy this is. Let's say I remove the background. It's literally going to keep the front image of all the people, the pizza, and just remove this little background area. We can, pretty cool, right? Let's undo that. We can crop the image. And let's say that I actually want to erase something. Let's say that there's something in it that I want to erase. If I come in here and I go to erase, zoom in a little bit, let's say like, I don't know what this stuff is, right? We just want to erase this. All of this stuff. I think it's a cookie maybe, right? Oh, right, cool. And then I just click the erase button. You can see it flashing like it's gonna go away. Boom, just like that. Now, see how these weren't perfect? Let's do a double erase here. And it'll get better and better as we do it. Well, one more time it looks like, right? See how the right side is perfect? Awesome. All right, so now what I want to do, oh, let's undo that. Cool. Now what I want to do for this is I want to download it, or I can publish it, or I can share it. So let's go ahead and publish it. Write a caption, pizza party with friends. Beautiful. And you can keep it private, do public. I'm just going to go to view image here. And this is where the combination of something like ChatGPT and this is really good. So what I want to do here is I want to download this. And then what's awesome is I can come in here and I can actually edit it in Canva in the sense of adding text. So imagine that I want to start increasing my pizza party business. I just created a picture in Playground. I'll come into Canva, add a call to action saying, book your pizza party today, and then send that email blast out to all of my clients. In 10, 15 minutes, we can do all of this. So when you're starting with AI, always start with text prompts, right? It's so much easier. And all you do is say, help me write a blog post, help me with social media. But like, how freaking cool is it that we can build something like this so quickly and easily, and then use that to increase the business? If you want more insight into how to use AI for your restaurant, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna have a lot more videos. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We're gonna be really diving in depth on how to do these things. Have a great day, and if you have any questions, just reach out. Thank you.